Becky, the sales director at LMB. We're back in Herne Hill to show you this beautiful extension LMB's created. The ground floor is complete with 2 large reception rooms, a cinema area and an open plan kitchen living space. Our client worked closely with an interior designer to meticulously plan out each detail of this build. LMB's Patrick Murphy and extension team oversaw all the building work here. The kitchen was previously a small galley kitchen with only a 2.3 ceiling height. We now have a finish of 3 metres and almost 5 metres over the mezzanine landing area. The roof lights and large crystal style doors bring in natural light throughout the day, finishing off this space wonderfully.